All right, go.
Okay, here is like a very simple lesson to teach you how to take out the actual trigger box. Basically, when you had your KS1, KS3, what you got to do is like what you see here is I already take it out, but it's nothing very difficulty to do it. What you need to do, there is on the back there, on the max box, there is like 2 millimeters like Allen screw. You got to remove it. Normally they came with a washer, so don't miss that washer. Next, what you got to do is like you got to release a photo sear. They will have like a pin. The pin is actually actually go from this end, go from this end, coming out like that. Same thing from there was like another pin from here. You got to pound it out from left side to right side. They all coming from left to right, so don't mix up the orientation. Next one, what you had to do is remove your bolt catch. Remove bolt catch. In order to remove it, you have to pound the pin from front to back. Once you pound it out, lastly, what you got to do, remove your magazine release, which is all simply press one end counterclockwise is coming out. Once it's coming out, then lastly you had to take out your fire selector. In order to take out fire selector, you have to remove the left side selector. Once again, it's like a 2 millimeters screw. So once you remove it, all you need to do is like crank it to 45 degrees, like this way, and then all you do is just push it out. Then once you push it out, it shouldn't be any like a resist from these box. You could just very slightly to take it out. If you had a little bit difficulty to take it out, all you need to do is it's like
You want to demonstrate?
I could demonstrate it.
Also, just to make sure
All you need, one second, all you need to do, make the hammer like going up like this. So use a hammer to lift it up. That's it. It's super easy. You don't need to use anything like puncher, pound. Just use the trigger, lift it up. Just lift it up like this.
So it's flush.
Yeah.
Okay, one more thing to people watching this video. Make sure you use the correct tools. Use the correct screwdriver bit to remove, to remove this, okay?
The 2 mil.
Use a proper pin pusher. Don't use any like fat pin pusher to, deform the metal. Use the correct one.
These are the 2 mil.
Use 2 mil. Use a rubber mallet. Don't use a regular hammer, okay? Yeah. So all the correct tools need to be used.
Yeah, it's like
don't cheap out. Don't skip the rules.
Yeah, it should be very easy to do it. I don't think it's only take me like less than 5 minutes to take it out, and then it's no scratch, no hustle, just very easy to take it off. So yeah, thanks.
Well, why not put it back together?
You want to? Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Show it to the customers.
Okay, yeah. To put it back together is extremely easy. So got one of these bar right here. Put it in. So once you put it in, first.
That's it.
Well, what do you expect?
Oh, wow.
It's very like I say, the system is like so easy. A lot of people think it's like oh my god, it's so hard. Like no pressure. That's it. It's just like you drop it in, and then once you drop it in, next thing you're inspecting all these like area. It should be like fresh. Yeah. Next one, you put the actual center pin. In the real firearm, this one is the sear pin. So
also keep in mind, one side will always
plastic. Yeah, plastic. Don't use any metal. See that?
Yeah, one side will always be thicker than the other. So remember where to insert it back correctly.
And then always to insert it back is like a right side to left. So
why is that?
Because that's the orientation.
Oh right, okay.
Yeah. You don't want to mix up the orientation.
Yeah.
anything plastic, but don't use metal. That's it. Yeah, that's it. And then you had the 2 mil.
There's a washer too, so don't forget.
Yeah, a lot of people, they drop the washer in there and before they installed it. That's where all the issue coming from.
Washer you can always buy from Amazon or Home Depot, right?
Yeah, Home Depot is easier, or any other computer store. Computer store they
Princess
sell it.
Auto.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Next is
Mac release.
Mac release. So Mac release. Berlin.
Cool.
It's like super easy. It's got compare. I mean, any AR platform, they are very easy. It wasn't like you doing SAAT or something like complicated bullpup rifle. Those are complicated. These are nothing.
Good system.
Good system.
Nice.
Yeah, it is good system.
One more.
So one more. So pull a little bit. Just like right here. Pull. So you don't want any scratch. Yeah. There we go.
Yeah.
Yeah. Next is doing that little Mac release.
Oh.
You got like that. I had a little trick to do this is I get a flat head, just like that, press, that's it, done. Then finally doing the
Trigger. Sorry. Fire selector.
fire selector. So all you need just to
Face it to the camera better, like flat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
like that. Actually, this way. Actually, I will grab something like similar from one end to push the ball bearing one end first.
Oh, I see.
That might be a little bit tough right here. That one you might need to use tiny little bit force because you got to push that ball joint.
Oh.
There we go.
Okay.
That's it.
So just to demonstrate, again, to put it back has to be on a 45-degree angle, right?
Once you put like 45 degrees, to take it off 45,
Yeah, between semi and safe.
just by hand, you could just see.
Oh.
I could just push it. I could just push it out, but put it back a little bit. Sometimes it's like you gotta find the sweet spot to put it in. Okay. Then just like that. Once again, 2 mil. That's it. There you go. Complete. Yeah.
Be sure you don't need to tap this a bit more, or it's a little pointing out.
That's okay. These tiny little thing, you could get the actual. I had the other like a precision AR punch kit to do it, but it's not like a big issue. The most big issue is make sure everything's square inside there.
Yeah.
As long as everything inside is square, then your gun will be no issue.
This part, how do you unlatch it again?
Unlatch it. That's all you do. Squeeze it. Press right here.
Oh,
Squeeze again.
okay, that's cool.
That's it.
Thank
And then when
you.
you take it out, just like take it out like that. So don't use any screwdriver or push the trigger. Let the hammer out like this, just like a handbag. Just
Oh,
take
just
it off.
pull it by hand.
Pull it
Okay, that's good.
It's
All right.
very easy. Yeah.
I'm glad.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.